Hi, my name is Ben from Germany, from the Board Level Repair School, Germany. And I want to show you how to reball an iPhone 7 baseband IC. Okay, let's have a look at the microscope camera. And here we got the baseband. It is fresh, taken out of an iPhone 7 board. So we have to clean it. I use flux for that, MTech NC 559 version 2, and I use a solder tip to get it clean. I take some solder paste and the wick, and then I wick the IC completely to get off the glue and to clean the pads. You see, it has to be clean so we can do a good reball. Okay. When you've done this, you can take a clean room wipe like I do and a little bit of contact cleaner to get the surface of the IC fresh and clean. If you see some glue on the IC, you can put it away with the glue remover tool. I use the Quanli 007 from Union Repair for that. So after we have cleaned the IC completely, we can do the next step, the reball. So just clean the sides of the IC. Here you can see the sides have to be cleaned too. You can see some glue on the side. Just put it away. You can use a knife or a glue cleaning tool. Be careful to not damage the chip. And when you did this, you are ready to reball. Just take a towel, piece of towel paper, toilet paper, and get the IC on it. It is really important that you use this toilet paper for the reball. After that, you need a stencil. So I got iPhone 7 baseband IC here. Do you have a 3D stencil, Andy, for me? For the iPhone 7 baseband? We have so much stencils here. You can use 3D, you don't have to use 3D. These are the two versions. One time I got this Quanli stencil, black stencil from Union Repair with no 3D, just 2D, and here the 3D stencil. In this tutorial video I use the 3D stencil for that. So just place it in the right way. Have a look that the IC is clean around the edges, so you can put it correctly in the stencil. So I just do cleaning again with a knife around the chip, so that it fits perfectly in the stencil. Okay, here we are. Have a look that you are in the right direction. And when you are right, yes, so you can better see. Okay, just arrange the view for you so it's perfect. Then just take a little bit of solder paste. I use the VL 183 or the PPD 183. In this case I use the VL, the WL, because I got it next to me. Here it's that paste. but you can use the PPD too. Normally I only use PPD 183 for all the reballs I do. Get the paste in the stencil, and then you need some tweezers like that. Place the tweezers like this, and then you take your hot air. I take about 60% of airflow on my hot air and about 280 degree for the reball. But temperatures you have to figure out for you. I just can tell you what I do in this case. And then you have to warm up the stencil. So circle, just circle with the hot air. Just circle, 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 circle. And when the stencil is heated up, just get at one edge and do the reball from the edge. Slow, I do it really slow to show you. When you are better you can do it fast, but I want to show it to you in slow-mo so you can exactly see what I do. Yeah, you can see reball is done. Done completely. Just have a look, and then have a look if all the balls are at the right place. It's okay, and then you can get some flux on it. Some flux on it, and just do a quick reball. A reflow, quick to set up all the balls at the right place. When you are better later, you don't need to do that a second time here. You can just do a reflow after taking out the IC, but I want to show to you from the startup. Okay, you can see solder's melted completely. All the balls are really nice, one size. Just wait a second until the solder cooled down. Then you can use a clean room wipe and some alcohol and get the IC out of the stencil. And here you can see all the balls are there and looking nice. Just get some paste on it, some flux on it. The tweezers, take the hot air once again and do a quick reflow of the chip, and then you're done. Here, just want to show you it's really perfect. Just wait a short time, show it to you. Here you can see the IC. And now we just need the oil painting brush, a little bit of alcohol, and we can clean up our baseband CPU with a brush. Just use these oil painting brushes from Union Repair for all my cleaning work on all the ICs I reball, okay? And it's done. When you see some dirt, just move it away. And here's some dirt, and we are done. I just use some air to get it completely clean, and here is the final reballed chip. It is really looking nice. One size for the balls, every ball same size like the other ball. It's really perfect. So I hope it helps you a little bit on working on your reball skills. If you have any questions, just message me or write a short comment under the video, and I will answer all the questions. Okay? Thanks for watching. I'm out. My name is Ben from the Board Level Repair School Germany.